Hi, welcome to Microman. Today we're going to be taking a look at a comment request, and that was by Ashley. Ashley is wondering, are there bugs under our fingernails? And so I'm going to take a piece of my fingernails and a toenail, and we're going to take a look and see if we can find anything under my nails. Now, I don't have the longest nails, so my nails may not reflect what is going to be under someone else's. And I like to keep my nails short, but the longer fingernails are, the more likely you are to get something trapped underneath it. But the question is it a common occurrence to have bugs under our fingernails? Let's find out. So we're going to start by looking at the fingernail clipping. Now, I don't think we're going to find any bugs under my fingernails. What we probably will find is a lot of dirt, and it looks like a pink piece of microplastic there, and probably going to be a lot of dead skin cells. Now, there is a bug, or it's not really, it's a parasitic worm, and it's called a pinworm. Pinworms, their eggs can get trapped under your fingernails. These worms are disgusting, and the eggs, if you touch a surface that has eggs all over it, then these eggs can get trapped on your fingernails, and if you stick your fingernails in your mouth, then you can get pinworms. The eggs will travel through your digestive system where they will hatch, grow, and then they'll mate. And once they mate, then the female will go to the exit or your anus, where it will exit and lay its eggs on the outside surface and coat those eggs in a white film-like substance which causes extreme itch. Now, this is typically in children, but it can be in adults. So what will happen is that itch will cause the child to scratch their rear end, and those eggs will get trapped under their fingernails, and they will spread them by walking around and touching everything. So far we haven't seen any bugs, just lots of dead skin cells and dirt. No, I hope that string is not a pinworm. I don't think it is. I think it's either a piece of hair or a piece of the nail. Then it just peeled off strange. Now let's go and take a look at the toenail and see if we see anything there. This is the toenail, and right away it looks more dirty than the fingernail, but still no bugs. We'll keep searching. Now, I'm not finding any bugs, and I doubt we're going to find any bugs, so I'm going to try something different here. I'm going to go outside, stick my finger in some dirt, and let's see what we get trapped under our fingernail, because I don't think on a normal basis you're going to have bugs under your fingernail, and I hope that puts Ashley's mind at ease. But let's see how easy it is to get bugs trapped in. So I'm going to go put my finger in some dirt, and let's come back and look at it. Okay, so now we're back from getting a dirty fingernail. I have taken a clipping of my fingernail that was covered in dirt. Now right away we can see it's a lot more dirty, but still no bugs. Now, just because you don't have bugs under your fingernails from sticking your finger in the dirt or just doing anything, that does not mean your fingernails are clean. There is still lots of bacteria that gets trapped under there, and even sticking your finger in dirt, there's going to be a lot of bacteria in that dirt. Now we're going to do a close-up or try and see, look at this dirt on a greater magnification to see if we can see anything in the dirt. We are now under that greater magnification looking at the dirt that was underneath the fingernail. And right away I am seeing movement. Now, just because you don't have bugs in your fingernails does not mean you don't have bacteria. So please don't stick your fingers in your mouth, because you are probably eating something that's alive. Anyway, I'll look around and see if I find anything interesting and show you what I find. Now I'm seeing tons of movement everywhere, but I'm not sure what it is, and I couldn't tell you what it is or what's going on. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please subscribe if you're not, and comment below what you would like to see under a microscope. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.